Have you ever felt your heart race just thinking about talking to someone you're interested in? Do you imagine everything that could go wrong to the point you talk yourself out of even trying? If you're shy or introverted, you probably know that feeling all too well. The fear of rejection, the mental block that keeps you from taking that first step. But here's the truth. Flirting doesn't have to feel fake, loud, or like you're trying to be someone you're not. In this video, I'm going to share 6 practical techniques designed specifically for introverts to help you break through those internal barriers and feel confident approaching someone on your own terms. So stay with me until the end, because today you'll see how your introversion can actually be your secret advantage when it comes to making a connection. Before we dive into the techniques, there's something you need to understand. Being introverted isn't a flaw. In fact, many introverts have unique qualities that make them great to be around. They're thoughtful, good listeners, and genuine. And you're not alone. Some of the most admired actors, artists, and even charismatic friends you know are introverts who learn to lean into their nature. The good news is, you don't need to become someone else to catch someone's attention. You just need to know how to show interest in your own way. And that's exactly what these techniques are here to help you do. Show the world and that special someone who you really are without any awkward, forced games. It all starts before you even step out the door. As an introvert, you might be used to imagining worst-case scenarios, but you can change that with a simple mindset shift. Before heading to a party, a date, or even just your favorite coffee shop, take a few minutes to mentally prepare. Picture yourself smiling, saying a few words, and feeling at ease. Imagine the conversation flowing naturally and you enjoying yourself. Take a deep breath and remember, the other person is human too, with their own insecurities. This quick exercise helps reduce anxiety and puts you in a more positive state of mind. When you believe you're worth someone's attention and that you bring something to the table, you've already won half the battle. That intention will shine through without you even realizing it. So head into each interaction with one simple goal. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the moment. No pressure. Did you know most communication happens without words? For introverts, that's great news. The way you carry yourself can say more than anything you might say. Start with your posture. Avoid crossing your arms or hunching over. Keep your shoulders back and your chest open just slightly. When you're talking to someone, turn your body toward them and tilt your head a little when you're listening. This shows genuine interest and makes the other person feel comfortable. A soft, natural smile goes a long way too. Make eye contact briefly but consistently. It shows confidence without coming on too strong. These little signals put together create a quiet kind of magnetism. So if you ever feel stuck on what to say, remember, your body is already speaking for you. Trust that. When it's time to break the ice, don't overcomplicate things. You don't need a cheesy pickup line or a deep topic to start a conversation. Often, the simplest comments work best. Make a neutral observation about your surroundings, like, "The music's pretty good, huh?" Or, "It's really crowded tonight." Another great option is a sincere, specific compliment. "I like your style. It suits you." The key is your tone. Keep it light, as if you're just making a casual remark without expecting anything in return. This takes the pressure off the interaction and shows you're approachable. If the other person smiles or responds, great. You're already in a conversation. If not, that's okay too. What matters is you took that first step and practiced a skill that will get easier and feel more natural over time. Humor is one of the most powerful ways to connect, and you don't have to be a stand-up comedian to pull it off. Introverts tend to notice little details others miss, which is perfect for subtle, witty comments. Try lightly poking fun at yourself to show you don't take things too seriously, like, "I always get a little lost at parties like this, but hey, at least the music's good." or point out something funny about what's happening around you, especially if it's something you both notice. Humor breaks the tension and helps the other person feel at ease with you. Just remember to keep it light and kind, nothing offensive or too over the top. Done right, humor not only lowers barriers, but also makes you memorable. Keeping a conversation going can feel hard when you're introverted, but this one tip helps a lot. Ask open-ended questions. These are questions the other person can't just answer with a yes or no. For example, what do you like most about this place? Or what was the highlight of your week? This shows genuine interest and takes the pressure off you to come up with all the talking points. Most people actually enjoy talking about themselves, so just listen closely and react with a smile or a quick comment. And remember, you don't have to talk non-stop to be interesting. Sometimes just being a good listener is more attractive than any rehearsed line. Knowing when to wrap up a conversation is just as important as knowing how to start one, and it shows confidence. Even if you're not sure how interested the other person is yet, end things on a positive note. You can say something like, "It was great talking with you. Hope to see you again." Or, "I really enjoyed our chat. Take care." This shows you're confident and not desperate for instant validation. It also leaves a good impression and keeps the door open for another interaction later. Remember, every attempt counts, even if it doesn't go perfectly. What matters most is you took action and felt good about yourself. The more you practice, the less intimidating it gets. See? Flirting doesn't have to feel awkward or fake, and it doesn't require you to change who you are. Today, you learned 6 practical techniques to flirt naturally at your own pace while staying true to yourself. Your introversion can actually be a strength when paired with quiet confidence and subtlety. So practice, take small steps, and most of all, be kind to yourself as you learn. Now tell me, which of these techniques are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments and share your experience with us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips to help you grow, connect, and feel more confident in your everyday life. See you in the next video.